everyone, welcome back to the new video on BackupExec, and today I'll show you how you can back up your data to the cloud by using the cloud connector for Azure. So if you've been following this track, in the last video we configured the storage by creating an account, and then we configured the storage by going under the storage, and as you can see that our Azure storage is online now. So what we'll do is that we'll back up our domain controller to the Azure storage. So let's go to the backup and restore button, and domain controller is highlighted, so this is the one which will be backing it up. So you right click, and if I go under the backup now, I have lots of options including the backup to the cloud. So what we'll configure this time is we'll back up to disk. So what it's doing is that we'll back up the data straight from the domain controller and back up to the Azure cloud storage. So select backup to disk. We'll use agent-based backup for this one, and let's give the name. Let's check the credentials. So this is all selected, so that's good. Let me select OK and select edit. So for this demo, what I'll do is that I will select only specific thing that I want to back up. So let me expand the C drive. I'm not gonna back any system state. And what I want to back up is, let's do the folder with the name cloud backup, and I also have a text document in that. You select OK, and under the backup select edit. I will not be doing any incremental backup, and let's give the name. And I'll be running now without any recurring schedule, but if you want, you can create without a schedule, or you want to create with a schedule, you can do that too. And let's go into the storage. I'll use my central admin server to back this up, and if I go into the storage now, I also have Azure storage, so I'll select that, and I can select for how long I want to keep the data. I can also use the compression over here, and if I want, I can use the encryption type also. So BackupExec allow you to encrypt the data while in flight and while it is at rest too, but I will use the default, but you can always change it accordingly. Okay, and I'll select OK and hit OK again. Go to the job monitor, and the backup to the cloud test is now started. So job status, as you can see that it is active. So let's wait for this job to be completed. So it's still backing up. In this case, we are backing up straight to the cloud, but if you want, you have the option of backing locally to a disk, and then you can duplicate that to the cloud. So whichever is best for your environment, you can choose the options accordingly for that. So it's still backing it up. So let me do this. Let me pause the video, and once the process has been completed, I'll be back again. So welcome back. So as you can see, I'm under the job monitor and backup to the cloud test. The job status that we got is successful. So let me just verify this by going under the storage. And if I go under the Azure storage, I will double click this, and if I go under the backup sets, you can see that this one that we selected, the C drive, that has been backed up. So this means that our data has been moved to the Azure cloud storage. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.